If you want to set up and activate driving focus on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to settings and under settings, just scroll down and tap on focus. From here, just tap on the plus icon at the upper right side on the screen, and from this list, just select driving. Tap on customize focus. Now from here, just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup process. For an example, if you want to allow or restrict specific people from contacting you while driving, just tap on people and select silence notifications from or allow notifications from. And depending on your option, you will be able to allow notifications or silence notifications from the selected contacts. Now to add contacts to this list, just tap on the plus icon and select the contacts from here, just like that. And after you do that, then tap on done. Now under the phone call section, you can allow phone calls from everybody, or you can select allowed people only, favorite contacts, or contacts only. And depending on your option, you will allow phone calls from the selected contact. Now if you want to allow repeated calls, you can enable this option, otherwise you can disable it. Now from here, just go back. And if you want to customize your lock screen or home screen when you enable driving focus, just tap on choose and select the lock screen wallpaper which you want to set when you enable driving focus. Now finally, just tap on while driving, and from here you can select how you want to activate driving focus. You can select automatically, or you can select when connected to car Bluetooth. And if you select this option, your iPhone will enable driving focus when your iPhone is connected to your car's Bluetooth, or you can select manually. And finally, you have the option of activate with CarPlay. And if you enable this toggle, driving focus will automatically be turned on when you're using CarPlay on your iPhone. And finally, if you want to enable driving focus manually, just open the control center, then tap on focus. From here, just select driving. And after you do that, you'll enable driving focus manually on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.